Hey guys, so what I have with me here today is the Hask Monoi coconut oil. It says it moisturizes and revitalizes all hair types. And this is the Nourishing Deep Conditioner. And it is the 1.75 ounce like little pack. This is just what it looks like. And this is just like all of the like directions and stuff on the back and like the ingredients. Yeah, so that's just what it looks like. So what I want to start off by saying with this product is that this is just like on Amazon, this comes in like a pack of like 3, I believe. But I actually got this as a sample thing from a hair salon that I went to, and it also came in a pack of 3. So I feel like that's probably where they got it from. But they were giving these out for their salon to promote the product, and they gave me this when I went in, and I've actually used one of them before, and it works so good. Another thing that I want to say is that I actually had a product similar to this, and it was in a bottle though. Like it was like the bottle of the hair product. It was like the more of like a brown colored bottle, but it did have like this little logo on it here. And it did say like, I think it said something around like Monoi, but I know it's from the same company because it was very similar to this. But yeah, so what I want to start off by saying with this product is that honestly, I love it. It's so cute. The packaging is so cute. Like I like the little design that they have there. And I also love it because it like is my favorite color. And I don't know, sometimes my favorite color can really get in the way of a lot of things. Literally I'll see something that's like this color and I'll be like, oh, I want to try it. Even if I don't know anything about it, I'm like, oh, I want to try it. So yeah, so I was very happy that when they gave this to me that it was this color, because I was like, oh, that's so cute. I was like, yeah, it's my favorite color. I was so excited. And then I was like, oh my gosh, I was like, this looks a little questionable, even though I've had the bottle before. But I was like, I feel like for some reason, I feel like when things come in packages like this, they're really weird. Like I don't like to use things in packages like this. I usually get like bottles and stuff, but that's just my personal feel about these type of things. So yeah, but like I was saying before, I just love the packaging. It's super cute. The second thing I want to say about this is that I believe this does come in like an actual bottle. I don't think it just comes in these little packages, but I know they actually sell these little packages online, like I said, in like a 3-pack. So they do come like this, or I believe they do come in a bottle. This is just the way that they were giving it out because it was more of like a sample type thing for us to like try it out. But yeah, they do come in a bottle. If not this specific one, this product, they do have more things that are similar to this, so you can try those also. They're all very similar products, I believe, but it is a good size. I use this for my hair, obviously, and it was so good. Like it made my hair so soft, and I know I'm not the only one who loves soft hair. I literally love this. I love when my hair is soft, like I come out of, because sometimes when you use like certain conditioners and stuff, like they make your hair all dry and nasty and gross, and it just is the worst feeling in the world. But this, I literally didn't even put anything in my hair after this, and this was like, oh my gosh, like my hair was so soft. Because a lot of times when I get out of the shower, my hair is very dry, even when I do use conditioner. But this just made it so like nice and soft, and made it a lot easier to brush out my hair after I got out of the shower. It didn't make it so tangly and stuff like that. And it just kept it very soft, and I really like that because I love when my hair is soft, and I know a lot of other people do too. I would say these are the little packages. To buy them, they are better for traveling than the bottle, because this can literally just sit in like your purse or like a book bag, or it can literally sit anywhere because it's literally a little like thin package that you can just sit anywhere. It also smells really good. I love putting this in my hair. It smells somewhat like a traditional conditioner, but it still smells like coconut-y, like mixed with like an oily type based conditioner hair thing. I don't know. I don't know how better to explain it, but yeah, I think it smells really good. I know a lot of people that aren't actually into coconut, and it's not like an overwhelming scent of coconut. It just, you can tell that it is coconut. So if you don't like it, then I wouldn't advise buying it, but it is a great product just for your hair. So if you can like get over the smell, then you should be happy to use it. It's a really good product. It works so well for my hair. I love using this product. I'm honestly gonna go buy the actual bottle instead of just get the little packages that I was given. It's so nice. I didn't look, they didn't tell me about when they gave me the sample about how much it was, but when I did look it up, it was actually very inexpensive, and I really like that because a lot of conditioners can be on the more expensive side, and for this to be such a good product, it is very cheap. But yes, this is a great product, and it is very nice on my skin, and I love using it. So again, this is just the Hask Minoy coconut oil.